Today I'll be teaching you guys how we guys can delete messages on Google Chat. It's pretty simple. First, you have to open up your chat with your friend. So I'm opening a chat with my friend one step. And if I want to delete the message I sent him, I can hold on the message I sent him and it's going to show me all this option. From this option, I can click on delete and click on delete. And once I click on delete, the message will be permanently deleted. But remember, the message is going to be deleted and your friend is also going to get a notification that you deleted a message. They're not going to see the message because the message will be deleted, but they will get a notification you deleted a message. And if they have already seen the message, then you cannot do anything at that point. But if they haven't seen the message and you deleted it, then they won't be able to see it. But remember this, you can only delete the message you sent. You cannot delete the message your friend sent, alright? It only works if you try to delete yours, not the other way around. So that's how we guys can delete message on Google Chat. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.